Criswell, your teacher has almost opposite patterns of you, with the exception that both the two of you use your precision. So how do you work with a teacher who has almost opposite patterns?
I kind of try to tether my confluence and technical and try to forge my sequential, because and she's actually has tried too to give us, when we were working on the disaster theme thing, we were working on the Titanic, and there were 4 centers. One of them you could build a model of the Titanic. One of them was you could do a timeline. The other one was you could draw the inside of either Argo or the submarine that Robert Ballard went in. Or you could do a newspaper article. Almost no one went there. I went first to the technical so I could build the Titanic, and I used 2 paper cups, some tape, and a paper plate. And I taped the cups together but kind of loose with the tape. And then I used the paper plate as the iceberg, and then I made it like that, and then I could pull the tape away from the 2 cups, and it would be like a split in half. And then we had 2 days, but we couldn't go to the same center twice. So the second day, the first day no one went to the writing center, writing newspaper article place. But then today, the next day, you could have no more than either 4 or 5 people at a center. So someone had to go to the writing thing, and I think he kind of enjoyed it, but he didn't know he would. And so I went to the timeline, which actually, it might sound sequential, but there are all these stamps that you could put on. You could put on glitter. And my teacher, I think, put a lot of effort into letting us choose our own thing. And I think she learned a lot, because then she could learn how everybody learns.
So why do you think that's important?
Because then she won't be as frustrated when we don't want to do it the way she wants to plan it, because she's a lot different than some of us.